Are we in focus? Yes, we are. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you ever so much for clicking on this video and tuning in today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Barbara. I go by the name of Simple Yet Stylish on all socials, and I upload luxury shoe unboxings, luxury handbag reviews, clothing hauls, and occasional lifestyle vlogs. So if any of those topics are of interest to you, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, thank you ever so much for your continued support. Now, as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be unboxing a pair of shoes to show you guys. Now, of all types of videos that I do, the ones that I mentioned in my long intro, luxury shoe unboxings are definitely my favorite types of videos to film, to edit, to publish and share with you guys, simply because my love and obsession for shoes is literally through the roof. If you guys know me, I am a shoe addict. I love high-end shoes. I love good quality shoes. And I love shoes that are gorgeous, just gorgeous, gorgeous shoes. So I'm really happy to be bringing you guys a shoe unboxing, which is my first shoe unboxing of this year. I must say, I've been doing really well when it comes to buying shoes. And I will explain that a little bit more in the video as we go along, but without further delay, let's get straight into it and let me show you guys the shoes that I've recently purchased. Now, midway through, I might have to switch the fan on because your girl is boiling up in here, and I think I've said this before, I'd rather the artificial air than the natural air, because unless I'm outside, if you're indoors, when you open that window, the natural air comes through. Well, this week the natural air has not been coming through, but if any air comes through, so do the flies, the moths, the dragonflies, the spiders, the insects, this, that, you name it. They just invite themselves in, and I'm not here for it. I'm not here for it at all. So I'll just apologize in advance if you hear any background noise. I'll try and dim it out as much as possible, but yeah, it's really hot in the UK. I mean, we complain about the weather all the time. I feel like that's what it is, okay? Like, we're gonna complain when it rains, we're gonna complain when it snows, we're gonna complain when it's sunny, we're gonna complain. So just get with it, because that's how we do it in the UK. But anyway, my order came in this brown box, and I actually purchased it from Net-a-Porter. I think most of the shoe unboxings I've done on this channel, most of the shoes in my collection, to be fair, were actually like high-end shoes, are purchased from Net-a-Porter. And I love Net-a-Porter so much because they are very efficient when it comes to their overall service. I ordered this, I wouldn't say a couple of weeks ago, more than a couple of weeks ago, I'd say about a month ago. And it was like during the beginning of the sales, or just, yeah, during the beginning of the sales. And obviously they add that disclaimer, you know, your order might be delayed due to sales and all that kind of stuff. But it literally came within like 2 days. So let's say I ordered it on a Tuesday, it came on a Thursday. So I was really impressed with that. And everything always comes the way you request it. So like most other brands or most other e-commerce stores, they give you the choice when it comes to your packaging, and this is the packaging I opted for. So once you open the box, you've got your envelope here, which actually contains your receipt, and it's just a brief thank you letter from the Net-a-Porter team, just to say thank you for shopping with them. And then you have your returns label in case you need to return your order. And then there's quite a bit of tissue paper, not as much though. They're doing well with the tissue paper thing, like they've reduced a lot, which is good. So comes with this tissue paper on top, and then around it as well there's also some tissue paper, and then inside is the box of shoes. Now, if you guys haven't clocked it already, just going to take the Net-a-Porter ribbon off, just going to slide it off this way. The shoes are actually from the brand Magda Butrym. Okay, so if you didn't see the name already, it's actually a pair of shoes from the brand called Magda Butrym. or Butrym. Sorry, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but she's a Polish designer, I believe, and she's been around for quite a while, a couple of years, I'd say, and she's actually created an amazing name for herself in the fashion industry. So shout out to her, because I've got so many of her clothes, dresses, bottoms, shoes saved in my wish list on my ShopStyle app, and some of them have been sitting there for years. They're even sold out, but they've just been sitting there because I really, really like her things. They're not what you would usually see when it comes to high-end fashion, and she's not really a brand, well, her brand is not really a brand that you see a lot of people sort of moving towards, if that makes sense. And I say all of that in a good way, because sometimes you want to be a bit different from everyone else. You don't really want to buy what everyone else is buying or look the way everyone else is looking. So yeah, she's really done well for herself. But I've already opened the box. So as you guys know, they always come with a dust bag. You get 2 dust bags, nice and simple. It's white and it's got her name on the front, and the drawstring is black, so that's great, nice and simple. And then when you open up the shoes, or shall I say when you open up the tissue paper, there they are. So let me take them out and show you guys properly. Oh, they are absolutely gorgeous. Here is the right pair. Now, I absolutely love these shoes, absolutely love them, and I can't take credit for this at all. I have to give a massive shout out to our girl, Melissa Wardrobe, for always hooking us up with the finest of the finest things. She posted these shoes on her stories quite a while ago. I believe she like traveled, and she wore these with one of her outfits. It was like a sort of like creamish structured blazer and a really nice unique pleated skirt, and I think there was like an edit on Net-a-Porter where you could shop her entire look. But she posted these shoes separately on her stories, and as soon as I saw them, I said, yep, I'm definitely about to have a Mel Made Me Do It moment, because these shoes are absolutely gorgeous. And they are the shoes that I didn't know I needed, in the sense where for a while I've always said to myself that it's important for me to build a shoe collection with essential styles that I'm comfortable with, styles that go with, you know, the type of clothes that I wear or the type of look that I always go for. And I've literally got, I think I've got 2 pairs of high-heeled open toe, or shall I say high-heeled sandals in my entire shoe collection, which is a high street pair from Zara and a high-end pair from Gian Vito Rossi. But I say these are the shoes I didn't know I needed because those 2 pairs of shoes that I already have, they're very simple, and not simple in a bad way, you know, they're very simple. It's got the strap going across the toe, the strap going across the ankle, and you're good to go. But this one does feature a little bit more detail. So you've got the buckle over here, which is contains like silver hardware. You've got obviously the strap that goes behind your foot, and the strap is slightly elasticated at the back as well, which is good. And then you've got the thong detail here, which is really, really nice. And then of course, what makes this different from the other 2 pairs that I've mentioned is that it's a square toe. But it's not your everyday square toe, if that makes sense. Like some square toes come and they're a little bit more sharper around the edges, but this one is slightly rounded, which I absolutely love. And it's wide as well, because I have wide feet. So sometimes when I wear square-toed shoes or like square-toed heels, they still look a bit funny when they're not supposed to. So I'm absolutely loving these. And before I forget to mention, the heel height is, I believe is around 4 inches. I'm not exactly sure. I can check on the website again, or I'll just pop it on screen. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it has been a while since I've worn heels with this sort of heel length. So it's gonna take a bit of, you know, sort of easing in. But besides that, I'm in love. I'm in love with these shoes. Like, I've literally planned so many outfits with these shoes. So many outfits. And I got it in a size 39, which is a UK size 6, and I believe a US size 8. So here they are. Let me take the other pair out as well, and show you guys. They're just so gorgeous. And of course I'm going to include separate cutaways so that you guys can see what it looks like on. But I am absolutely loving these. They're so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And you know what? I wish they came in like a white. I would love this in a white with gold hardware instead. Oh my gosh, I'm just picturing it in my head now. White, these shoes in white, absolutely gorgeous. So gorgeous. Now, as I mentioned, I've got so many outfits planned with these shoes, but I will be most likely styling them on my Instagram, my main Instagram page, and my TikTok. So make sure you follow me on there if you're not doing so already. I will link it down in the description box below. In terms of availability and pricing, these shoes were retailing for $5.80 at Net-a-Porter. Obviously, that's where I purchased it from. They were on sale on the Harrods website, but they're sold out. They're sold out because when I saw them, this is what happened. So when I saw them on the Harrods website, I thought, let me buy them from here, because they had gone down to, I think, $415, so $415. And I thought, if I can get them there and then I'll return this one, the full priced one, that would be great. But then when I tried to check out, they had a size 38, 38 and a half, 39 and a 40, which is UK 5, UK 5 and a half, UK 6 and UK 7. When I tried to check out, I tried all 4 sizes. I tried all 4 of them separately. It kept saying to me that the items in my basket, some of the items in my basket are not available, they can't ship those items to my destination, like the country I'm based in. And I thought, no, that can't be right. There's probably a glitch with the site or something like that. So I contacted customer service. I spoke to 2 people. One just confirmed that the shoes are out of stock, and I was just like, no, I need to get a second opinion. Spoke to another person who'd done a little bit more digging and actually found out that the shoes were out of stock, but they hadn't been updated on the website. But I think I know where those shoes went. I think I know where those shoes went. Literally all 4 sizes. I know where all 4 sizes of those shoes went. But I think they still have them in probably like a size 3 or size 4 on Net-a-Porter. But besides that, they're sold out, completely sold out on Net-a-Porter. And I think I can probably find them somewhere else. So they might retail for a little bit more. They might not be on sale. But if I do, of course, as always, I will definitely link them in the description box below. But like I said before, I'm just really happy that I've got a pair of unique black heeled sandals that I can wear for like a casual event, a more dressy event, just all sorts of events I can definitely wear. In terms of how comfortable they are, I have tried them on, even prior to unboxing it for you guys. The excitement was real. So when they did arrive, I tried them on. Plus they arrived when my mum was here, so she wanted to see how it looked like on. And it was so funny because every time my mum sees like heels and stuff, she's always like, even when I took these ones out of the box, she was like, oh, this kind of heel height gives me a stomach ache and stuff like that. But she used to wear these kind of heels when she was, you know, like around my age and stuff. But she, as soon as I took them out, she was like, oh wow, they're gorgeous. And then when I put them on, she was like, they are even more beautiful when they are worn. And she was just like, they're absolutely gorgeous. And for me, if anyone or any 2 people are going to co-sign on my fashion looks or my heels, my shoes, it's definitely my parents. So from time when my mum said that, that made me even more happy. Like I was so happy. So yeah, these are the shoes. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I really enjoyed filming this video. I always blabber on whenever I do these videos, especially when I'm showing you guys like only one item. But like I said at the start of the video, I absolutely love heels. And I feel like I was slightly going off heels a little bit because I hadn't worn them in a while. The pandemic literally changed my shoe game in terms of how much I can handle, you know, surviving in a pair of heels. But I say all of that to say I'm not going to go back to, you know, the old times where I would put myself through this excruciating pain all in the name of, you know, these shoes are gorgeous, these shoes are fabulous. I'm not doing that anymore. So I'm just hoping that these shoes will wear fine in terms of how comfortable they are. But I will be bringing you guys more shoe unboxings and probably some handbag unboxings as well. I know I do handbag reviews, but I will bring you guys handbag unboxings too whenever I do purchase a new handbag. And then what I also want to introduce on this channel are reviews when it comes to the shoes that I wear. So I don't want to just come on here, unbox it, show it to you guys, and then, you know, praise the shoe and speak highly of it and then just leave it as that. I do want to come back on here and update you guys on, you know, how it's going with the shoes. Are they comfortable? In terms of cost per wear, is it worth it and stuff like that? So yeah, the last unboxing I done was just last year, I think around October, just before my birthday, and they were the Match and Match shoes. And guys, I will be filming a separate video to let you guys know how things are going with those shoes, but I'm sure you can tell by my reaction that it's not so great. It's not so great, but hopefully these ones won't disappoint. But I will definitely update you guys and let you guys know how things are going with my new pair of babies. Right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these shoes. Let me know if it's something that you will purchase. Let me know if you think they will look good in white as well, because I'm literally picturing it in my head and I can't get the image out of my head now. So I'm just hoping that this video somehow will get to the designer, and if she hasn't had the idea in her head already, she will give us a pair of gorgeous white shoes in this exact version. But yeah, let me know what you think of the video. Sound off in the comments. Make sure you follow me on all my socials: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. They will all be linked in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up, as it is a great indication that you guys enjoy these videos. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.